definitely feel it ground shaking. This is quite...
I felt that.
Tell me what you're doing.
Just putting in some cable.
For what? For the water, right?
Yeah, well, we're putting in a sleeve for the water.
Yeah. The water has to go underneath our road.
Yeah. He's going to cut a hole under the ground so we don't have to block the road or nothing.
Oh, yeah.
Hear him under there?
I can.
Yeah.
Directional drill, it bores 10 foot at a time. We can steer it underneath the ground by different angles. We put the blade and just push it across the road. Not a lot to it. It's really kind of simple, complicated machine.
So you said it does 10 foot.
It does 10 foot at a time. Then we
Okay.
screw on another rod.
All right. Thanks.
You're welcome.